Ebi Right Reverend Johnson Twinomujuni yabigambo byabaye bembiro kushaba ayishomero ya Kitagata Secondary School erukushanga mu town council ya Kitagata mu district ya Sheema mukorogo kurundana miliyoni igana zo kombeka gate y'ishomero. Aha mukorogo Bishopu Twinomujuni Yarabura Abeegi Ahamitwarize.
If nkati mwacho wajo tinza kushomera bitabo by'abanyabwenge ekikuza kuruga mu bwenge noza kumenya bwenge. Are we together? Why are scientists? Because they have fed themselves and their minds on all things scientific. That's why you become a scientist, because you have immersed yourself into science. I am a theologian because I studied theology. Wate bintu byo mugasho magaraga unoza kuba mugasho wata mubusha noja kuba busha.
Atyo nuko kongera akajumerera Abeegi abarukwenyegero me bikorwa byo busani.
Pornography, you go and watch pornography, do everything illicit. Obutongongo bwawe abashambani abakugira ki abakushamara ibintu by'abakazi obebyo wato magaraga no mecho waza kuba a sophisticated mushambani. You will only come out as that.
Ishomereri rinabeja barukurengo mu 20 kongatirizitirije ekigemeseriza bucuru kwataho kwimuceramo kurishagika.
Which means we are going to adjust our budget and have a chain link. We also have to adjust the budget so that our security part we may have a different design, because that's where we have our CCTV and communication. I heard them talking of CCTV cameras, so we need a control center. And the control center must be in the security area, and this perimeter fence must have sensors so that if anyone touches
Bamwe mbashomireho nka Arthur Kazora, Canon Apollo Buzare, Commissioner Reverend Canon Duncan Mugumya hamwe n'abandi barebwaho barukayo bushagiki.
Batito Bishopu mbere hano ya umbere buke, I promise to construct a full classroom block, and I have already informed Mr. Labani just 3 weeks ago that whether I lose election, whether I win, immediately I will start my classroom. Therefore, tomorrow the vehicles will deliver materials here. That we are all boys. I have been able to drive from Tororo. By 7 last evening I was in Tororo. I said if it is for Chagata all boys, all the students, I must go and tell these young ones that you can make it. You can make it.
Eruburiyo misho umukuru w'ishomero yashobora muhaburemezi obarukurabamo.
So for our teachers stay up. How they get abahunchuro nanga bana baragomu umpreku, it becomes a problem. Buying more computers to meet the needs of A-level ICT learners. In fact, in senior 6 now we have 320 candidates who take ICT, but like I said, we have 45 operational computers, so we need more.
Gasha kwa Gerard Tugume.
The Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen.